And I swear, I can't believe that I got offered this bag. It was unexpected, it was unplanned, but it has literally made my year. Hello there guys, I hope you are doing well. I hope you're not gonna get tired of doing this, but I absolutely love watching unboxings. And I have a dream bag that was offered from Hermes, and I'm currently recovering from surgery. So this really put a pep in my step, and I was very excited to be offered this bag. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I've now done probably like 3-4 Hermes unboxing videos, and I feel like I'm the laziest person to get an Hermes bag. So I'm gonna actually share with you how I bag my bags in London without actually having to do that much, other than being like a huge fan and be really patient. But I'll go ahead and I'll show you what I was offered and received. And sometimes I always feel kind of astounded, like, and every single time I get one it feels like just such a joy now, and I'm like, hey, this is like really real, and this is really exciting. I love it. So this is the bag that I have got. To be honest, what's really interesting, I get to a place where I forget about the fact that I want a bag. I don't think about the fact that I want a bag. I just kind of leave it and see what happens. And you know, often when I've walked into the store, they're usually like, wish lists are hard to come by. If you want that style, it's not gonna come. And I'm like, it's fine. I'll put a wish list down, and if it comes, it comes, and if it doesn't, it doesn't. And I think that is how I've been able to get a bag that I'm really excited about. So here we have it. Here we have it. And I'm not gonna lie, I've opened the bag before, okay? But I am so excited. This is my, well, okay, so I've got a red Kelly 28. I have a gold Birkin in Cellier with gold hardware 30, and a black Kelly 30. And I basically got almost every single bag in the order that I wanted, and in the way that I wanted, and in the sizes that I wanted. And this is the first time I'm getting a 25. And for me, the 25s are more fun, they're more playful. Like, it's not for like carrying your everyday stuff in. For me, I'm more of like a 30 is an everyday bag, but a 25 is, come on girl. A 25 is because, you know, playful, you got time, you can get it in not every single color. She is so pretty. In the light, she is giving me 2 colors. This is in the color Vert Amande. So I received an email from the sales associate at the Hermes store, and they're like, just to let you know, your wish list has come in. And so I was like, oh, is it a green bag coming in then? Because Vert, you know, me being a French graduate, wanted a green bag, but I always wanted a gray bag. So I wasn't really sure about what color it was. But obviously I wasn't gonna reject it, and obviously I can have a look at the bag, and if it isn't right for me, I can give it back. It came, and it was literally stunning, and I feel like I'm getting 2 for 1 in a bag. It is a beautiful, I'm gonna almost like it feels like a pewter, in that it's kind of a grey blue with hint under certain light, maybe like a hint of green. And it is a size 25. It is in Togo leather, and I love Birkins in Togo leather because I love the fact that over time it becomes a bit more slouchy and just more casual. And for me, Birkins are very much casual, have some fun with it, and I'm not precious about bags, other than I'm just really excited to enjoy them and play around. So I got this, and it really put a smile on my face. And I think I was like a day or 2 days out of surgery, and then I got this email, and I was like, what? This is my bag for the year. Do you know, I need to go back in and make another wish list, because the system works. It's not broken if you are patient. And I have beautiful twillies that go really well. She's got the lock on. She's got the lock on. Oh, I'm so excited. She's so cute. And I feel like grey is such a nice neutral that can be worn with everything, but because it's got this kind of bluey hue as well, it's fun. I've got the black, I've got the gold, I've got the red, I've got this, and it's just really like, it's so beautiful. I'm surprised at how much room there actually is in the 25, but I feel more comfortable as this is my, you know, a bag to have after I've got all the other sizes that are a bit larger. And my mum saw the bag and she's like, oh, I want one, but that one is too small. It's really interesting that my mum's like now really into it, but she needs a bigger version. And that's what I was like in the beginning. But here she is, guys. So now I'm gonna go ahead and share with you how I bag my bags here in London. And I love that people love to talk about like super convoluted ways, like bribery and drama I've not found any of that. The number one thing that I've really done has just been patient, and I've been nice. Like, I just go into the store once in a while. I recognize a few people here and there. I say hi, I ask if there's a bag. 99.9% there's always no bag. However, the fact that I was once given the option to do, like, create a wish list in terms of like, okay, what do you want out of a bag? And I actually built a bag. And the first bag I ever got was that I sat down and I was like, I think I want a red bag. I think I want a Kelly or a Birkin. I wasn't quite sure what I wanted. I wasn't quite sure like if I wanted, you know, what size specifically I wanted. I just knew I wanted like a red bag or a really bright bag to start off with. And I just was patient and built the wish list, saved it down, and funny enough, my offer came to Flourish. And I waited about 6 to 7 months, maybe up to 9 months actually, for that to come through. Then it came through. When it came through, I was so excited, I was so happy and so grateful. I then did another wish list. I actually did a wish list that didn't come to pass, in that what I put there, so I think I put like a black mini Kelly or something like that, and I didn't get it, like, and they don't notify you if your wish list doesn't come through. So I was really good at like calling up, going in, like, has my wish list arrived? Is there anything similar to that? And I would continue to get no. And then there was at times that I wanted to like make a new wish list, but every time you make a new wish list, your old wish list is cancelled, and then you have to start again and wait another 9 months. So for me, it's all about waiting the entire course of time, and that may mean that it might take 2 years to get another bag, which it is what it is. But then I was really patient and I didn't cancel my last wish list because that was really right on the edge again. And then I got offered this and I'm like, oh. And that's literally been my journey of getting bags here in London, just patience. So I'm very specific now about what I want when I go into store. And now I'm a bit familiar with my sales associates, but I actually don't get my item from in store. So I actually now am emailed by the team at Hermes, and they'll let me know. And actually, I really wanted to go into store to get my pickup, but I paid for it online, and I was like, can you hold it for 2 weeks? Because I physically can't walk right now. And they're like, unfortunately, no, we can just post it to you. I was like, what? I can get Hermes delivered to my door? Come through, come through. So I made my order, and within like 2 days, my bag was here at my doorstep, and it's been really, really great. My tips and advice is literally patience, literally be polite, and then know what you want, and see if you have the option to build out a wish list. And I think that's in any store that you are willing to come back to. So I think no matter where you are in the world, it's good to actually go in and like say, can I have the option to build a bag? So I was given the chance to like touch leathers and look at the samples, and someone actually walked me through it really well, more than actually me like watching videos on YouTube. When I saw a box of colors and box of all the different materials that were used, I was like, oh, this is a completely different world. And then when the store's really busy and it's Christmas time, I would not put people under pressure to do that. But the sales associate who did that for me for the first time really like basically opened the doors for me to like go in and like enjoy. So I was really, really excited. I would jump for joy more and I'd be more screamy, but I can't because, you know, I'm in pain. But this has brightened my day, so I'm really, really excited. And that's all I wanted to do. I just wanted to do a little unboxing and show you that I'm really happy that I've got a new bag. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I think I'm probably gonna be doing videos where I'm sitting down and talking for the foreseeable. And I have spent a lot of time buying stuff to make myself feel better. Like, retail therapy is a form of therapy. That's a fact. It's a fact, okay? So yeah, I'll show you what I've got in the next couple of weeks. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you all later. Bye.